build this PC in less than 60 seconds. Let's see, X570 motherboard, Ryzen 9 5900X. I think we're gonna slot that bad boy in nice and easy. Real smooth like. Now time for an SSD. This is an NVMe Western Digital. Pop that bad boy in, peel off the thermal backing there. Spread that thermal paste, get that cooler installed, screw. Simple, easy money. Clicking that RAM, 2 sticks at least. Come on now, we're not amateurs. Hook up all your cables to the power supply. Peel off all the plastic from your graphics card. Slot that bad mama jammer right in there. Oh yeah. Peel off that last bit of plastic there. Looking good. And 45.3 seconds. Not too shabby if I do say so myself. Thanks for tuning in.